Excuse me, is this supermarket open today?
Yes, it is. Please come in.
Where can I get a small shopping basket?
The baskets are right next to the door.
Are these apples fresh today?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
I will take 2, please. Excuse me, where is the milk section?
It is at the end of this aisle.
Which milk is low fat?
This one has less fat.
Is this bread soft?
Yes, it is baked today.
This meat looks expensive.
You can try the smaller package.
I think I have everything now. The line is not too long today.
Hello? Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you for asking.
Do you have a store card?
No, I do not have one. You can save money with it. I will think about it next time.
Your total is $25.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, that is fine. Here is your receipt.
Thank you for your help today. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye!